Problem number 36. In order to begin problem number 36, you need to remember that the mid-segment of a trapezoid is equal to the average of its two bases. So to average these two numbers, I add 4x plus 10 plus 20 and divide by the two numbers that I added, and I set that equal to the mid-segment. To solve this problem, I first multiply both sides by 2. 4x plus 30 is equal to a distributed 2x plus 70. Move your x's to the left, you get 2x. Move this 30 to the right, and you get 40. And x, therefore, is 20. For the next problem, it's a triangle, which works similarly, but not exactly the same. In the triangle, you have a base on the bottom, but the top is kind of equal to 0, which makes sense because you're averaging kind of 0 and the bottom, which is much more simply written as x divided by 2 is equal to 15, or if you'd prefer, 1/2 of the base is equal to the mid-segment. Both the opposite of dividing by 2 and finding a half is multiplying by 2, so your answer is 30. Either way you do it. For the next problem, you need to remember one very important theorem, and it's that the measure of an exterior angle is equal to the sum of the measures of the anterior angles. So, to combine like terms, you end up with 2y minus 110. To put the y's together, I'd probably move the y's to the right-hand side and subtract y from both sides, and move the 110 to the left-hand side. Now I have positive 110 is equal to 1y, or y is equal to 110 degrees. Yeah, that makes sense. Next one, for D. This one you have two problems kind of in one. You want to start by picking two angles that are the same that do not have more than one variable. I would recommend setting 2x plus 80 equal to 3x plus 60. And the reason these are equal is because they're corresponding angles. I'm going to move the x's over to the right, the numbers over to the left. I'll get 20 over here and x over here. Now that I know that x is 20, I could go back into any angle and replace it. 2 times 20 plus 80, or 120 degrees. Now that I know that 120 degrees is a vertical angle of y plus 10, I can set that equal, and I know that y is 110 degrees.